You're learning English and you've probably heard this a million times. Read books. That's how you improve your vocabulary. But the question is, what books? Because let's be honest. Picking up a random English book and realizing it's harder to understand than quantum physics in a foreign language is not fun. Been there, done that. Today, I'll guide you through the best books for learning English based on your level. Whether you're just starting out or practically fluent, I've got something for you. And don't worry, I've added a mix of novels and personal development books for different tastes. Because, well, variety is the spice of life, right? By the way, if you already know your level, check the chapters in the description to jump straight to your section. But hey, why not stick around for the whole video? Who knows, you might discover your next favorite book. And one more thing, some of these books wasn't originally written in English, but trust me, their English translations are beautiful. I've picked them based on my personal experience and some glowing Goodreads reviews. A2. Elementary to pre-intermediate. If you're at this level, simplicity is key. You want books that are easy to follow yet engaging. Novels. The Little Prince. This book is like a warm hug for your soul. On the surface, it's a story about a boy traveling between planets, but it's also full of profound life lessons. The language is simple but poetic and perfect for beginners. Fantastic Mr. Fox by Roald Dahl. Who doesn't love Roald Dahl? This is a fun and clever story about a fox outsmarting some very mean farmers. It's lighthearted, short, and full of charm. Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, Simplified Edition by Lewis Carroll. The original might be a bit tricky, but the simplified version is magical. It's imaginative and will introduce you to some fun idioms and phrases. Personal development books. The Magic of Thinking Big, Abridged Edition by David J. Schwartz. This book will inspire you to dream bigger and think positively. It's written in simple and clear language, perfect for A2 learners. Mindfulness for Beginners by Joan Kabat-Zinn. Feeling a little overwhelmed by English? This book will help you calm your mind while teaching you useful vocabulary and emotions and mindfulness. B1 Intermediate. At this level, you can handle more complex plots and ideas, but you still need something manageable. Novels. The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime by Mark Hodden. This story is told from the perspective of a 15-year-old boy with autism. The writing is straightforward, yet the story is deeply touching and unique. This is best experienced in its paper version rather than as an audiobook. This book includes some fascinating visual elements that are cleverly aligned with the story. These visuals help bring Christopher's perspective to life and make it easier to understand his thoughts. Coraline by Neil Gaiman. A spooky yet enchanting tale about a girl discovering an alternate version of her life. The language is clear and the story is so gripping, you won't even notice you're learning. Of Mike and Men by John Steinbeck. Classic, and it's short, but the themes are deep. The writing is simple yet powerful, which makes it ideal for intermediate readers. Personal development books. Atomic Habits, Simplified Edition by James Clear. This book is practical, easy to read, and full of actionable tips. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Okay, technically, this is a novel, but it's also a personal development book. It's about following your dreams and finding your purpose, written in beautifully simple language. B2, Upper Intermediate. Congratulations, you're at the level where things get really exciting. You can handle richer vocabulary and deeper themes. Novels. The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. This is the quintessential coming of age novel. It's written in a conversational style, so you learn a lot of informal, everyday English. The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. Heartbreaking yet hopeful story about friendship, betrayal, and redemption. The writing is vivid and emotional, but not overly complicated. 1984 by George Orwell. This book will challenge your thinking while introducing you to rich descriptive language. Personal development books. Daring Greatly by Brené Brown. This book is about vulnerability and courage. It's deeply relatable and written in an engaging conversational tone. Deep Fork by Cole Newport. If you're looking to focus better and work smarter, this book is a game changer. The language is clear and the ideas are transformative. C1 Advanced. Now you're entering the big leagues. You're ready for complex ideas, subtle humor, and beautifully crafted prose. Novels. The Road by Cormac McCarthy. This post-apocalyptic novel is hauntingly beautiful. The writing is sparse yet powerful, and it'll teach you a lot about tones and atmosphere. Brave New World by Aldous Huxley. A thought-provoking dystopian novel about a futuristic society. It's rich in vocabulary and ideas, but still accessible for advanced readers. The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood. This one's a masterpiece. The language is poetic, the themes are deep, and it'll stick with you long after you've finished reading. Personal development books. The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Want to be more productive? This book is motivational and packed with practical advice. Plus, it's written in a narrative style which makes it more engaging. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Ever wondered why you do what you do? This book dives into the science of habits and will teach you fascinating concepts in an easy to digest way. C2 Proficient. If you're at this level, do you even need me anymore? Just kidding. Of course you do. At C2, you can read practically anything. And my advice, dive into the books that truly interest you. Classic, modern novels, philosophy, science, whatever sparks your curiosity. And here is a tip. Challenge yourself with genres or authors you've never explored before. Try reading Shakespeare or diving into complex nonfiction like Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. And if you're still here, thank you for being a perfectionist like me. Learning English through books is such a rewarding journey. Not only you're improving your language, but you're also diving into new words, exploring big ideas, and discovering parts of yourself along the way. And remember, it's not about reading fast or finishing a book just for the sake of it. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let the words sink in. Every page you read is a step forward, and trust me, it all adds up. So, which book are you going to pick up next? Let me know in the comments, and if you've already read any of these, I love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy reading, and I'll see you in the next one.